Hi everyone, welcome to a Soul Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other two YouTubers, guys. This is the reading for Scorpios 2021 for the month of June. Guys, this is a situationship reading. That means it is either related to career or relationship. Okay, let's see what's going on. If you wish to enroll for one-on-one tarot reading session with me related to career, relationship, situationship, you can reach out to me. If you wish to have Vastu session with me, the details are given in the description box below. Okay. Situationship reading, that means it is either related to career or relationship, guys. Let's see what Scorpios are going through. What Scorpios are going through. Okay, Scorpios, you are trusting your intuition level a lot, okay, nowadays, or you are trusting your intuition level. Your inner heart is saying a lot something. You have a new vision, okay, about something. Start something new. You have a new vision, which is way too good, okay. You are going with the flow, okay. You are just confused, juggling between two choices, two options, two connections, two decision. You are having, different dreams. Yeah, way too different dreams you are facing nowadays. That's the thing, okay. You're having uncertain dreams. That's the thing. You don't like if you are being compared with someone else, or comparisons disappoints you a lot, okay. If someone is comparing you with someone else, so yeah, you are being very receptive at this time, okay. Whatever is coming your way, you are just being open. You have opened your arms to accept it, okay. You feel that things are slowing down. It's a lot of delays are happening into a situation. That's the thing, okay. So yeah, you are being feeling very intense related to a situation, very intense, okay. Ending of a karmic cycle is happening. Endings and new beginnings. You're transforming, changing. Things are changing into your life. Your perception, realizations, your life is changing, okay. You're going through some major breakthrough, okay. Some major breakthrough is going to happen either into your career or relationship, okay. So yeah, karmic endings and new beginnings are on the horizon for you. That's the thing, which is good, way too good actually. So let's see. Okay, let's see. Okay, you are being very happy, or you feel that you want to be happy in life, okay. Okay, you are waiting for something in the month of June, waiting for certain things to happen, okay. Yeah, you're you might partner up with someone, okay, or you might start a new business in partnership, okay, which will be good. Or there might be a third party interference into a relationship, okay. So that might happen, okay. Karmic cycle is not ending. Endings and new beginnings are on the horizon, but it's on the edge, okay. It can happen anytime, Scorpios. You are ready to take an action to someone, like you are have a very impatient energy. Now you need to take an action related to something, okay. You just cannot sit and continue, okay. You are going to take a risk related to either career or relationship. You need to take a risk. Yes, you are waiting for, you want to release a third party situation either, or else you are, waiting for it when third party situation will be released, okay. And if you and your partner is in separation, then when when you are going to get reconciled, or you don't want to reconcile again, it's something like that, near to the lines. You want to let go of the things and you want to move forward in life. That's the thing, okay. Yes, you're confused, juggling between two choices, two options, two connections, two decisions. You feel that there is a devil energy, manipulative energy, sneaky energy, and who is taking advantage of you or using you, okay. And that's why you want to take an action related to a certain person or certain people around you who was manipulative. There's a blockage. Karmic blockages are happening into your life, okay. Like, things are not going on into your favor. You are waiting for some major changes. Karmic cycle, you are dealing with karmic relationship. Scorpios. Okay, endings and new beginnings are not are on the horizon for you, but not this month. Like you want to end something, certain things in life, okay, which is not happening, and that's like you need to move on. You want to move on from certain person, certain people, certain relationships, okay, which is not happening, and that's disappointing you. Okay, certain things are not changing. Okay, yes, you feel that there is a person in your life where you have a heart to heart communication, two people thinking about each other, missing each other, but at a distance, and cannot do anything. That's the thing. You are on a right path. You are on a right path. Angels are saying keep doing what you are doing, because it is working. Whatever your thoughts are, it's working. Animals, you understand animals and communicate with them intuitively. Trust your inner guidance, as the animals are a part of life's work. So some of you might be spending time with animals, dogs, and other animals. Way too good. The others of you might become a spiritual teacher or a healer, or might take a seminar, workshops, or classes or sessions. Okay, and the others of you might go for exercising, gymming, yoga, physical fitness. Some of you might be involved into, or some of you might be focusing more on physical fitness more this month at least. Your life purpose involves body work such as massage therapy, energy healing, physical energy or therapy, and exercising or training. Wow. The others of the Scorpios might start a business in music, or someone might love music, spending time with music. Your connection to music is healing for yourself and others. Practice. Some of you might be, loving to play music with a flute or guitarist, or a lot of instrumental music. You must be liking it. If you haven't practiced it so far, you can start practicing it a lot again. Your life purpose fully supports you. So you have a life purpose, Scorpios, and that really supports you somewhere. Okay, or some of you might be spending time with environment. Okay, you are an earth angel who was born to protect, nurture, teach about nature and the animals. Wow, that's beautiful. Okay, let's see what is the love reading telling you, Scorpios. Let's see. Okay, unrequited love. There's not enough attraction or chemistry to keep this relationship going. So you are either your girlfriend or your wife, or husband wife, or girlfriend boyfriend, whatever you are. You feel that that kind of chemistry is not there, or you need to not enough attraction is left. Okay, so either you are making an effort to work out on a relationship, or the other person is making out. But great love is worth taking the steps you are guided to. Okay, so one of you might have to take an effort. Scorpios, free yourself. It's time to take back control of your life. Whatever feels you right, do that. Okay, don't be a prisoner of other people's perspective and other people's life. Okay, so yeah, you feel that this could be the one. So there you are dealing with certain other persons also, and you feel that a strong bond is there with this person. You have already met the romantic partner you seek. Okay, so yeah, that's the thing. I think love life might be affecting your financial career as well, finances and your career. Okay, because you are unable to concentrate, whatever problems are going on in your personal life, that is affecting your financial and career life as well. So forgiving and learning, as you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moments. So focus on your present moment. I would suggest you self-love and self-care. If you do it, trust me, you will forgive and learn from the things, and you will move on. Okay, pay attention to the red flags questioning you. The signs are questioning you. Your understanding to whom you love, or there are certain things which is like very weird in your reading. But yeah, I think two energies are there in your reading. Okay, so yeah, I would suggest you love yourself first. Self love and self care is utmost important for you in this time. Okay, yes, you feel that there is a past life connection with certain person, and you have known that person in before. You know, you are understanding, you have seen that person in the past relationship. That's the thing. Okay, and you are in separation with certain person right now. Time apart from your partner is on the horizon, or you are thinking to get separated from someone. Okay, so that's the thing. I hope you like this reading, guys. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, Scorpios. This is the reading for the month of June 2021. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Bye bye, take care.